Oh, here he goes. Oh. Look at you go.
You're always around for his milestones, Kale.
Oh, there you go. Uh-oh, boom. Gotta turn around and go the other way.
He's gonna be
Now
walking.
he's really gonna be walking soon. Here comes Bonnie right in front of my camera. Come on, buddy. Come
Just
on.
helped him a little bit. He was walking. Now he's standing with one arm.
Come on, Ian. You can do it. Oh, uh-oh. You are so brave. He just wants to play with that.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Turning.
He's walking.
Oh.
It kind of helps teach him the balance to go forward instead of just like fall down.
Oh, you checking out the score?
He was trying it without one hand.
Go, buddy. Uh-oh. He likes to let go. Hey, you. Ian. He's so happy.
Oh, it's snowing.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Boom. Now what are you going to do?
You get up.
Yeah, there's snow out there, honey.
What is that?
We got a white Christmas.
Can you show me how you can walk? Here you go. Walk.
Walk now. When he let go.
Now we won't need our hand.
Where you at?
Oh, you are such a big boy.
With no hands.
Just turn it around. Come on. Grab on.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
He's like looking to see. Oh, his audience. You're the most popular person here.
He almost fell.
Oh, uh-oh. Here you go. Walk to,
Just keep walking. Go.
walk to Scott. Go.
Where's Scott? Where's Scott?
That was her turn.
Let's go. Let's go. Go.
Gifts when it happened.
Come on. You don't have to walk. Keep going.
Keep going.
Come on. Keep going.
That's your daddy, not his daddy.
Turn around. Ready?
I'll wake up tomorrow.
Just the green side.
In the middle.
This is a long
There,
video
Kale.
for us.
Tell him to come this way.
Hi, Pumpkin. Oh, goodness. There you go, all by yourself.
Ian, come on.
Go get him. Go get him. You can do it.
I'll find one of his toys, then he'll maybe follow me.
Keep going. Here you go.
Oh.
Ian, look.
Say bye-bye.
No,
done?
honey, you can't get her.
And he's done.